Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel! In today's video, we're diving into something pretty interesting: blood groups and how they relate to alcohol consumption. We often hear about how alcohol affects our liver, heart, and mental health, but have you ever wondered if your blood type plays a role in how alcohol impacts you? Stick around, because we're going to uncover which blood group might want to be more cautious when it comes to drinking. Alcohol is consumed worldwide, but not everyone feels the same effects from it. Whether you get tipsy easily, feel sluggish after a drink, or just can't handle your alcohol, it turns out your blood type could be a factor. Before we dive into the connection between alcohol and blood types, let's quickly review what blood groups are. Your blood type is determined by the presence or absence of certain proteins, known as antigens, on the surface of your red blood cells. The four main blood types are A, B, AB, and O, each with its own unique features. For example, people with type A blood have A antigens, type B has B antigens, type AB has both A and B antigens, and type O has no antigens. This unique mix of proteins affects how your body reacts to different substances, including alcohol. Now, we all know that alcohol is processed in the liver, but did you know it's also broken down by an enzyme called alcohol dehydrogenase, or ADH? This enzyme helps convert alcohol into a less harmful substance. However, how effectively your body produces this enzyme might depend on your blood type. Research shows that alcohol can affect people differently based on their genetic makeup, including the production of ADH. But here's where things get interesting. Some studies suggest that certain blood groups may metabolize alcohol faster or slower, which can influence how alcohol affects your mood, energy, and even your risk of developing certain conditions over time. Let's start with blood type O, the most common blood type. People with type O blood have a unique enzyme profile that may make them better equipped to handle alcohol. This group tends to process alcohol more efficiently, meaning they might not feel the same immediate effects that others do. Studies suggest that people with blood type O can usually tolerate moderate amounts of alcohol without feeling overly affected. However, this doesn't mean they can drink excessively without consequences. It just means they might handle alcohol a bit better compared to other blood types. Moving on to blood type A, things get a bit more complicated here. People with blood type A tend to produce less alcohol dehydrogenase, the enzyme that helps break down alcohol. As a result, they might feel the effects of alcohol more quickly and intensely than those with other blood types. This means that if you have type A blood, you may want to be extra cautious with alcohol consumption. You could experience quicker intoxication and might feel the negative effects, like a headache or hangover, faster than others. Next up, we have blood type B. People with this blood type have a moderate response to alcohol, meaning they fall somewhere in between type O and type A when it comes to alcohol metabolism. Those with type B blood tend to process alcohol at a moderate rate. They don't necessarily feel the effects as strongly as those with type A, but they also don't have the same tolerance as those with type O. And finally, blood type AB, the rarest blood type. This group is believed to be the most sensitive to alcohol. Studies suggest that people with AB blood may metabolize alcohol the slowest of all the blood types. Because of this slower alcohol metabolism, individuals with AB blood could feel the effects of alcohol much more intensely. They may be more prone to alcohol-related side effects such as dizziness, nausea, or fatigue. For people with AB blood, drinking in moderation is essential to avoid these negative effects. While blood type can play a role in how alcohol affects you, it's important to remember that there are many other factors at play, like body weight, genetics, and overall health. Here are a few tips for alcohol consumption based on your blood type. Blood type O. You can handle alcohol well, but always drink in moderation. Blood type A. You may feel the effects of alcohol more quickly, so pace yourself. Blood type B. You have moderate sensitivity. Drink cautiously. Blood type AB. You may be the most sensitive, so avoid excessive drinking and drink plenty of water. So, what's the bottom line? While there's still a lot to learn about how blood types affect alcohol consumption, it's clear that certain blood types may need to be more mindful of their drinking habits. Whether you're type O, A, B, or AB, it's important to listen to your body and drink responsibly. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you have any questions or personal experiences related to alcohol and blood types, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.